Hey YouTube, what's up? It's your girl Alicia Jones and I'm back again with a new video. And as you can see from the title, y'all already know, as promised, this is, I don't know why I'm talking so much with my hands, this is a crochet review. And in today's video we are reviewing Freetress Barbadian. Now y'all know Freetress is probably one of my favorite brands of crochet hair, and I probably worn Freetress crochet braids out of any other brand of crochet braids. So yeah, I wanted to try something different. Now this is not a new hair. People were wearing this hair like 5-6 years ago, so yeah, I just discovered it though. However, so I wanted to try it out. I picked it up from my local beauty supply, and yeah, so I've had this in for almost 3 weeks. I'm ready to try something new. I got some other crochet hair that I am ready to try, so I was like, I just gotta try something new. I'm ready. So this is how it comes packaged. This is what it looked like along with this, and that's what it looks like on the model. And then of course y'all know they always have the other crochet hairs that are available. So I bought 5 packs and I got them in the color number 2, $6.99 a pack. And this is how much hair that I ended up having left over. I just like to show y'all like up close or whatever what it looks like up close. So yeah, and I like to do that because y'all see how like clearer it looks as opposed to me doing it like that. That's like what the little loop or latch part looks like right there. So this hair, it was pretty easy to install. I wouldn't say it was the easiest hair to install. Ugh, it's a gray hair in there. Y'all, I hate gray hairs. But yeah, I wouldn't say it's the easiest hair that I ever installed, but it was pretty easy. I would say this hair is like 22 to maybe 24 inches. It's definitely not 18 inches. The length is okay. I like the length. Yeah, so the install, y'all know I do my regular smegular install, the same old one, 8 to 10 braids in the front going straight back, and then I like to do my little zigzag thing. However, I wish I would have did a little bit more zigzags in the back, because this hair, although it's like a little bit big, it's not big enough to where you can do your braids however which way and it'll be concealed, if that makes sense. So I have this big old gap. I need to look and see, like, can y'all see? So it's like a big gap right there. Here it's okay, but I feel like I should have spaced them more together or tried to do more of a like circular one, a circular braid pattern, as opposed to just doing like the just zigzag. So it has worked for me before when I've done other styles with bigger hair, but this hair is more like a loose, it's like a mixture of loose wave. So yeah, so I wanted to try something different this time around, and what I did, I didn't put no mousse on the hair at all. When I found that the hair was looking a little straggly, I went in and cut the stragglies out, and I sprayed it with water this time, and that kind of laid the hair down a little bit, but for like a short period of time. So my hair was sticking up at the top. Well, no, it's still laid, so it's like 2 something. So I sprayed my hair around 12, so it did lay it down a significant amount. So yeah, so for me, I'm gonna start ranking my crochet hairs: low maintenance, medium maintenance, and high maintenance. And for low maintenance, to me, I only gotta touch it like twice the whole time I'm wearing it. Medium, I go in occasionally to, you know, like cut the stragglies out, fix it up or whatever. And then high maintenance, I gotta constantly be doing stuff to the hair, like almost every day. Now, low maintenance crochet hairs are the hairs where you really ain't got to do nothing. You install it, you fix it up, shape it how you want to shape it. You got to go in maybe once or twice, cut them stragglies out, bam, you done. So those are my favorite kind of crochet hairs. And to me, it's usually like those hairs that are short, like the model ziggy curls, like the curls that mimic like wand curled hair, or hair that, you know, those hairs that you put in the rollers and you dip them, or if you put your natural hair in rollers with the mousse and stuff. Those kind of crochet hairs are my favorite because they are so low maintenance. And I'll post a link, or you know, y'all can find it, to the low maintenance crochet hairs that I'm talking about. But to me, this hair right here, it is a medium maintenance because I only had to go in a couple of times and, you know, like cut the stragglies out. So I'm gonna say this was a medium maintenance hair. The water seemed to help a significant amount. Like I said, I sprayed the top because the top of it was sticking up. It was like a lot of hair. So I just sprayed it with my water bottle, and then I rubbed it down, kind of detangled it a little bit, and then I should have took it before and after, but yeah. And then I cut the hairs out. I had to do that probably 3 times this whole crochet, for this whole install. So normally what I do for my nightly routine, I cut the stragglies out, do like 6 twists, and then I put it up in my bonnet. This time, your girl got lazy. I was not finna do that. We being honest, I was not finna do that this time. So what I did was, I took the hair, parted it down the middle, and twisted, had a big twist over here, a big twist over here, and then I put them up with a black rubber band, the ouchless ones, and I just threw it up in my bonnet. So that's what I did this time, which is very much different from how I'm used to doing my nightly routines. And I have a detailed video on that if y'all interested in checking it out. But it was different for me, but it was a lot more easier. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I like that. But for a high maintenance hair, I wouldn't have probably been able to get away with that. So yeah, I would have probably took it down and it would have been so knotted. Cause y'all know, like those high maintenance hairs, they need a lot of love, they need a lot of work. So when you be twisting them up, sometimes when you try to take it down, they be all tangled up and knotted at the bottom and whatnot. Ain't nobody got time for that. I don't like that. So my battery's about to die. Okay, I'm back with a fresh new battery up in this mug. Okay, but anyways, so I like this hair. I usually like to try the hairs in a different color. This hair I probably won't be trying a different color because I'm so into just trying whatever other crochet hairs are out there. So if I do come back to this one, it'll be a long ways down the road. But this, y'all, Barbadian, like this hair, when I saw it in the store, I instantly thought of Rihanna. So I was like, Barbadian braid, where does this come from? I gotta get it because I went searching. I've been doing wig videos for like months, so I was like, I'm tired of wig videos. I need to take a break. Let me go to my local beauty supply and find some crochet hair. So I'm searching the aisles. I looked at Freetress, I looked at Bobby Boss, I looked at Made Beauty, and then I came back to Freetress and I was like, Barbadian braid, never tried it, let me try it. So that's how I usually pick my crochet hairs. Yeah, and some of the crochet hairs for like Made Beauty, when I get to the beauty supply, I have to go in my videos and be like, did I try this hair? Okay, so most of the hairs that were at that particular beauty supply I had already tried, so I was like, that's when I went to Freetress. So Freetress has they have probably the best crochet hairs that I've tried. I'm trying to think of any hairs that I did not like, and I really can't think of any right now at the moment. But I do like this hair. It was so easy to install. It looks like trash, kind of, sort of, Like, I'm gonna tell y'all why. Because I went 2 nights with it like literally just in a high bun, and I didn't put no bonnet, no water, nothing on it. I just was like, peace, I'm out. I'm finna just lay down like this. Cause Aunt Flo was tripping. Aunt Flo was like, this probably TMI, but Aunt Flo was tripping. And I was drained. So I was like, psh, I don't care. I'm not even finna do it, whatever. Yo, I'm just gonna have to tell them in the review that this is what I did, because I like to be honest with you guys. But anyways, I did cut the hair a little bit shorter, so I want to show y'all what it looks like right now. I just been cutting it just here and there, not too much, just like small snippets, because when I do cut too much or try to shape it up, I never end up liking it. So the smaller I do, the less damage I feel like I do, because when I try to be cutting big, it just do not be looking right. I do like this hair. I would recommend this hair. It was affordable. I am used to paying, like for these type of packs, I am used to paying like $5.99. So I guess they went up a little bit, or it could just be with my beauty supply charges, because I noticed there is a difference in the prices. Like Lulu Tress at this one beauty supply was like $4.99 a pack, and then I go to a different beauty supply, it's $6.99 a pack. So I'm just like, what y'all doing? So yeah, I would recommend this hair, and it's easy to, you know, like detangle and whatnot. Some hairs, it was this hair I tried, it was so hard. I was like pulling like so hard to like detangle it so I can like put it up for the night. And I'm just like, if this was my natural hair, I would be in some trouble, because bruh, the way I was pulling that hair. But this hair is much more easier to deal with, you see. And yeah, it's much more easier to deal with, which is why I'm putting it under a cat. Now this is for my category. I don't know how nobody else rates it, but for me, I'm doing low, medium, high, and this is medium to me. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If y'all have any questions about the hair, don't hesitate to leave them down in the comments. I try to reply to all the comments I can. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll have all the deets in the description box if y'all interested in checking it out. And I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.